How long does a bathroom remodel take? Most people expect weeks. With us, a lot of the time, the answer is 1 day. A traditional remodel means demolition, multiple contractors, tile that has to be set, and grout that has to cure, all in sequence. If one step gets delayed, the whole project slips. That's how a bathroom ends up out of service for weeks. We do it differently. We measure your bathroom up front, and your new system is custom manufactured to fit before we ever start.
So on installation day, our team removes the old tub or shower, makes any repairs, and installs your new one start to finish in a single visit.
The speed doesn't come from cutting corners. It comes from planning everything ahead of time. That means less mess, less disruption, and your bathroom back the same day with low maintenance walls that resist mold and mildew and wipe clean with soap and water. If you've been wondering how long your remodel would take, let us take a look.
We'll tell you if your bathroom's a candidate for a one-day install.
That's EZPro Express.